welcome back to my channel. So I've gone ahead to moisturize my skin and I've also done my brows as well. Then I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. You guys, I love this foundation. It is an illuminating foundation that just makes me look like I'm glowing from within. I mean, who doesn't want that, right? So this foundation is perfect for anyone who has combination dry and normal skin. And I'm just using my Pac 231 foundation brush and just buffing everything out. Then I'm going in with my beauty blender and I'm just blending everything in to make sure I don't have any weird brush lines, or and I just have a nice flawless finish. You see? Flawless, right? Then I'm going in with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just drawing tiny little strokes underneath my eye, also on my chin, my forehead, and also on the side of my cheek for contour. Now I know this line looks weird, okay? It looks a little creepy. It looks like those Chinese signs, but you guys will see why I do this in this particular shape, because when it's blended out, it looks amazing, okay? So I'm going in with my beauty blender yet again, and while I was applying this concealer, I didn't realize that I put quite a lot of product on my face, and I'm gonna look crazy, but it's okay. We're gonna blend it out. So I'm also taking the concealer and pushing it upwards towards my nose. That way it'll give me a very natural contour, and then I don't have to do much to contour my nose. You feel me? You feel me? Okay. Then I'm going in to blend out that contour. I know I look crazy. Hold on. Just wait, okay? You see? Flawless, right? I mean, anything can happen if you just wait. Then I'm going in with my concealer yet again to draw a straight line on both sides of my eye. That way I have a very snatched eye look. Then above my crease, I'm placing this chocolate pudding urban brown shade, and I'm literally patting on the colors. That way I'll get more pigment, and I'm patting it on, and I'm also bringing it out on the outer version of my eye. That way it's a very nice and elongated line. I'm doing the same exact thing on the other side of my eye. I am patting it in and then I'm slowly blending it out, like patting and blending it out. You guys see what I'm doing, right? I'm also pushing that color outwards. That way I have a really nice wing look. Then to blend out that color, I'm using this orange tone shade, and I'm literally patting that in and then blending the two shades together. Do you guys see that transition? Yeah. Now I completely forgot to put setting powder underneath my eye, so I'm going ahead to put the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder, and I'm literally putting that underneath my eye and my chin, my cheek, and basically all the areas where I've applied concealer. That way it can set. I'm not really going to bake because I'm trying to use as little powder as possible. That way it looks very natural when I'm done. Now I'm going in to cut my crease. Now if you guys are not familiar with doing this, the best way to cut your crease is to apply the concealer right in the middle of your lid and look up. That way you'll know exactly where to cut it from. But since I do this all the time, I'm going ahead to start from my inner corner of my eye. Now if you guys notice, I am dragging that concealer on the line that we made previously. That way it looks angled, it looks in position, and it just looks really good. Do you see what I did there? Do you see that? Yeah, I did that. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, and ta-da! Then I'm going in with this beige shade. On camera, this looks white on the brush, but trust me, in person, it is a very light beige shade. And I'm placing that color right from the inner corner, and I'm gonna blend that out into the middle of my eyelid, because I really want a really nice soft ombre transition, just using two colors though. Now, since this color is a light color, I am patting that in so that the color tends to stand out on its own. Then I'm using this orange shade and I'm literally patting that right from the middle and I'm dragging that out to the outer V that I have. Then I'm gonna go ahead to blend the two shades together so it looks like one transitional shade and it doesn't look like two countries, like one country here and then the border and then another country. You don't want two countries on your face, okay? We need to stay united in this place. So yeah, keep blending it in case you lose some color. You can always go back in later to touch up, but make sure you blend the two shades together. And now that we're done with the look, well, half done with the look, let's begin with my face. So I'm patting off all that excess powder that's on my face and I'm just dusting everything off so that I have a really nice layer to work with. And then I'm going in with my Huda Beauty eyeliner. If you guys watch my videos, I hardly ever put eyeliner because I just feel like it doesn't really suit my face. But for this look, I really wanted to do an eyeliner look. So here we are. We're here. Now I'm taking that same chocolate pudding shade and I'm placing that underneath my eye so that we have a really nice smoked out look. And then I'm using a very light highlighted shade in my inner corner so that it just looks like a nice pop. Then I'm using my favorite mascara from L'Oreal. This is the Lash Volumious mascara. I really like this mascara. It's a drugstore mascara that just makes your lashes look long and voluminized and it just makes them pop. Like literally, if you want like flutter look, go for this mascara. And then I'm using these falsies. They don't have a name unfortunately, but I'll link them down in the description box below in case you want to get them. And then I'm bronzing my face using my favorite bronzer from LA Girl, and I'm just bringing in some color back into my face. Now lately I've been into cream blushes as compared to powder blushes because they look more natural, and I really like this one because it gives me that pink tone color, but then it also makes me look like I have highlighter on. So it's like I'm killing two birds with one stone. You guys get? So I like to apply the blush on my nose area as well because if you guys notice, when you don't have any makeup on, you do have a little bit of touches of pink towards your nose area. And then to finish off this look, I'm going in with my Nykaa Maharani lipstick and I'm applying that. Now in case you're going for a day look, you can totally switch this up and use a nude lip, but I really wanted it to be bold and I loved how it looked. And then to finish off, I'm using a setting spray from Color Bar and voila. In case you guys liked it, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. So make sure you subscribe, turn on that bell notification, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.